In the unforgiving theater of the skies, the year 2026 marks a revolutionary leap in military aviation with the unveiling of the Mikoyan MiG-41, a fighter so advanced it blurs the boundary between science fiction and reality. Developed under Russia's PAC-DP program, the MiG-41 represents the future of interceptor aircraft, succeeding the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound. With the MiG-41, the Mikoyan Design Bureau sought not just to dominate the skies, but to rewrite the physics of aerial combat. Engineered for the modern battlefield and the unknown frontiers of hypersonic warfare, this aircraft is more than a weapon, it's a warning to the world. Design evolution, from Foxhound to Phantom. The MiG-41's design DNA draws heavily from the MiG-31 but evolves into something entirely new. While the Foxhound was built to chase intruders at Mach 2.8, the MiG-41 pushes beyond Mach 4.3, flirting with the realm of hypersonic velocity. Its body is forged from advanced composites and heat-resistant alloys capable of enduring extreme temperatures at high speeds. The aircraft's sleek profile reduces radar cross-section, granting it near-invisible stealth capabilities. The signature long fuselage and forward-swept wings are optimized for both atmospheric flight and near-space operations. Every angle, contour, and material serves a purpose, to dominate at the edge of Earth's atmosphere, where few aircraft dare to fly. Performance, speed beyond imagination. At the heart of the MiG-41's terrifying performance lies its rumored ISDALI-30 adaptive cycle engines, allowing it to reach hypersonic speeds while maintaining fuel efficiency and operational stability. Early reports suggest the aircraft can cruise above Mach 4.3, with experimental prototypes tested for even greater velocities. This performance places it beyond the reach of current Western interceptors, giving it unmatched chase capability against advanced bombers, hypersonic missiles, or reconnaissance aircraft. Its service ceiling reportedly surpasses 100,000 feet, enabling it to operate in near-space conditions where air resistance is minimal. At these heights, the MiG-41 doesn't just patrol airspace, it surveils the edge of space. Stealth and sensor integration, the invisible predator. Stealth in the MiG-41 isn't just about shape, it's about intelligent invisibility. The aircraft incorporates active plasma stealth technology, a rumored innovation that ionizes the air around it to absorb radar waves. Combined with radar-absorbing materials and a new generation L-band and X-band radar cross-section diffuser, the MiG-41 can slip undetected through even the most advanced defense networks. Its AI-assisted sensor fusion system collects data from satellites, drones, and ground radars, creating a 360-degree awareness bubble around the aircraft. Pilots have access to real-time global situational awareness, effectively turning the MiG-41 into a flying command node of Russia's defense network. Armament, weapons of the future. The MiG-41 isn't just a fast aircraft, it's a hypersonic weapons platform. It is designed to carry a new family of long-range missiles, including the R-37M successor, capable of engaging targets at over 400 kilometers. Rumors suggest the inclusion of an anti-satellite missile system, giving the MiG-41 the ability to destroy low-orbit satellites, a capability that could shift the balance of global reconnaissance and communication warfare. Additionally, the MiG-41 may deploy laser-based defense systems to neutralize incoming missiles mid-flight. Its internal weapon bays preserve stealth while enabling rapid missile deployment at extreme altitudes. With this armament, the MiG-41 becomes not just a fighter, but a guardian of airspace sovereignty and a potential threat to space-based assets. Avionics and artificial intelligence, the thinking fighter. Inside the cockpit, the MiG-41 introduces a quantum computing-assisted avionics suite, designed to process massive data streams from multiple sources simultaneously. Its AI co-pilot assists with target acquisition, trajectory prediction, and defensive countermeasures. The pilot operates with a next-gen augmented reality helmet, projecting full mission data directly onto the visor. The integration of AI decision-making reduces reaction time in hypersonic engagements, where milliseconds determine survival. The MiG-41 essentially becomes a symbiotic weapons system, where human intuition merges with machine precision to create a perfect balance of instinct and intelligence. Hypersonic warfare, a step beyond supersonic combat. Traditional dogfighting becomes obsolete at Mach 4. At these speeds, the MiG-41 shifts combat strategy from maneuvering to predictive strike warfare. Enemy aircraft are detected, locked, and neutralized long before visual contact. The MiG-41's advanced radar can detect stealth aircraft at immense ranges and intercept hypersonic projectiles mid-flight. This changes the nature of aerial dominance, from reactive combat to predictive supremacy. The aircraft's capability to engage hypersonic threats ensures that no missile or bomber can penetrate defended airspace unnoticed. It's not just a fighter, it's a shield for a nation's skies. Space operations, reaching beyond Earth's limits. What truly sets the MiG-41 apart is its near-space capability. Designed to operate at the edge of the atmosphere, it bridges the gap between air and space operations. The aircraft can potentially launch microsatellites, conduct high-altitude reconnaissance, and even intercept space-based threats. This puts Russia ahead in a new dimension of warfare, aerospace defense. The MiG-41's experimental configurations include hybrid propulsion systems that could allow short-duration space jumps, giving it unprecedented surveillance range and flexibility. At this altitude, it's no longer bound by Earth's limits, it becomes a sentinel watching over the planet. Global impact, shifting the balance of power. The introduction of the MiG-41 sends shockwaves through the global military landscape. NATO's next-generation fighters like the F-15EX, F-22 Raptor, and even the NGAD project now face a rival designed for speeds and altitudes previously unimagined. Its sheer velocity makes it nearly impossible to intercept, forcing nations to rethink air defense strategies. The MiG-41 symbolizes not just technological achievement, but geopolitical intent, to assert dominance in the skies through sheer innovation and audacity. Every demonstration flight, every classified test, whispers the same message: the future of air superiority will be decided at hypersonic speed. Challenges and controversies, the price of innovation. However, the MiG-41's journey is far from smooth. Critics question the feasibility of its hypersonic claims, citing the immense heat management challenges, fuel consumption, and cost of production. Operating at Mach 4 generates extreme aerodynamic stress, requiring materials and engines that push the limits of current technology. The secrecy surrounding the project fuels both intrigue and skepticism. Some experts argue that the MiG-41 might be more of a deterrent symbol than an operational weapon, a psychological edge in modern warfare. Yet, every prototype tested suggests that Mikoyan engineers are inching closer to turning this myth into a machine of reality. Future vision, the dawn of a hypersonic empire. Looking beyond 2026, the MiG-41 could become the foundation for future space-capable interceptors, drones, and unmanned hypersonic systems. Russia's long-term goal might be the integration of MiG-41 platforms into autonomous AI-controlled defense networks, where human pilots act as mission commanders rather than direct operators. This evolution marks a shift toward the era of intelligent warfare, where speed, autonomy, and predictive analytics define supremacy. The MiG-41 is the prototype of that future, a ghost that rules the upper sky, unseen and untouchable. Conclusion: the legend reborn. In a world racing toward technological domination, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 stands as a monumental leap in human ambition. It's not merely an aircraft but a symbol of the next generation of power, one that merges physics, artificial intelligence, and aerospace engineering into a singular, awe-inspiring force. As nations prepare for the age of hypersonic warfare, the MiG-41 serves as both a harbinger and a warning: the sky is no longer the limit. From Moto Focus, this is the story of a machine that transcends boundaries, the MiG-41, the ghost that guards the stratosphere.